This video is about alignment feature in El-MAVEN. Prolonged use of the LC column can lead to a drift in retention time across samples. Alignment shifts the peak retention times in every sample to correct for this drift and brings the peaks closer to the median retention time of the group. Click on the Align button to set its parameters. The first panel in alignment options is for group selection criteria. Group here refers to a set of peaks across samples that are annotated as a particular ion. This is a group for UPP. The value of X in the setting is set to filter out groups that do not have at least X good peaks from the alignment process. As there is only one peak per sample for a group, this value should not exceed the number of samples in your project. This option allows the user to discard groups with very few good peaks under the assumption that those could be stray peaks. Limit total number of groups in alignment is used to change the number of groups being used for alignment in case there are too many groups detected after the peak detection process. Peak grouping window value controls the number of scans required to get the most accurate peaks. Enter a high number if the reproducibility is low to ensure best results. The next panel is for peak selection settings. Minimum peak intensity can be adjusted to only look at high or low intensity peaks in case you have prior information about the concentration of metabolites you are looking for. This ratio is the minimum signal to noise ratio of your experiment. Increase this value if you see too much noise in the data. Minimum peak width is the least number of scans to be considered to evaluate the width of any peak. Peak detection algorithm can be used to select the compound database search algorithm and then choose an appropriate database from the drop-down menu. The alignment algorithm panel provides the following options. There are alignment algorithms available in Poly. One's polyfit and the other is lowest fit. Maximum number of iterations is only required for polyfit algorithm. Enter the number of times El-MAVEN should fit a model to the data in order to align it. Polynomial degree is the degree of the non-linear model we are trying to fit. Recommended settings are entered by default. After setting these, you can just click on Align at the bottom. As you can see, the peaks in this group are much better aligned than before. You can click on Show Alignment Visualization widget to open this visualization. You can click on any grouped peak to look at its data retention time versus retention time graph as shown. This gives you an idea of the deviation from median RTs of all the peaks in your metabolite. You can click On alignment visualization for all groups, the widget for it is here. This graph will show you the total deviation by all the peaks, all the groups in your data. You may run alignment again with different parameters if required, or with a different alignment, unless you are satisfied with the results. I hope you found this video to be useful. Thanks for watching.